I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Friday, November 14th. Soybeans ended Friday's session lower. The USDA did lower their yield and production guesses and also trimmed ending stocks. Really, the big bearish factors for soybeans were CONAB's new numbers for Brazil, along with the USDA's delayed daily export sales announcements, which were put off by the recent partial shutdown of the federal government that didn't show as much demand as expected from China. There were some decent sales to unknown destinations as well, and those could turn out to be China eventually. But again, the lack of China really standing out in those delayed reports definitely put the pinch on soybeans. Corn closed lower. The USDA also trimmed its yield and production outlooks for corn, just not as much as expected. And ending stocks for the current marketing year are still expected to be above 2 billion bushels. CONAB didn't make a whole lot of changes for corn this time around, and the delayed export sales numbers for corn did show some decent demand from Mexico. And as for wheat, it was lower. The USDA did raise U.S. and global ending stocks estimates. Also, the USDA said that China did not buy any U.S. wheat, at least not a significant amount, during the shutdown, as had previously been rumored. Live and feeder cattle closed higher, oversold and due for a bounce after a very volatile week. The cash and wholesale fundamentals during Friday's session and for most of the week really were not friendly at all, so a lot of this was just technical. As for hogs, they also found some oversold support, but were also helped out by a sharply higher midday move in the pork carcass cutout value. With the closing market minute for Friday, November 14th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.